Hey there, kitty cats. Let's make some music.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some chickens, E-I-E-I-O. With a
Gesundheit, chicken. Or are Old MacDonald's chickens sick?
Gabby, was that you?
No, let's try it again. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some chickens.
Who was that?
Our guest must be shy.
And have an itchy nose.
Let's look around.
Over here! I found something! Whoa!
Oh, you must be one of Kitty Fairy's flowers.
Uh-oh! Uncontrollable sneezes! That reminds me of when Gabby had the hiccups.
Maybe a tissue will help so you can blow your nose.
And a warm blanket to put you at ease. Yay!
I'll play some soothing music.
I don't hear anything. I think it worked.
Let's try the song again. You can join in too if you'd like to.
Old MacDonald had a farm.
Uh-oh! I guess those remedies didn't work after all.
Maybe we need to go see Kitty Fairy. She'll know how to help a flower.
Great idea, Gabby.
To the garden! Let's go!
Hi, friends!
Hi, Kitty Fairy.
Hello!
Hey!
Oh, what's this? You found Gesundheit! They somehow got separated from the rest of the flower patch.
That's what they needed, to be with their flower friends.
We tried everything to help them stop.
Well, now that everyone is settled, maybe we can play our song here.
A garden concert! How wonderful!
You can share the microphone with me, Kitty Fairy.
Thank you! And I think the flowers will want to join in too!
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some flowers, E-I-E-I-O. With a
Yeah!
DreamWorks' Gabby's Dollhouse.